pepper, garlic, lamb, cauliflower, pilaf or black pepper, garlic, lamb, cauliflower rice ball. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and most delicious of the cauliflower recipes and most unique of the garlic recipes and most delicious of the gobi recipes and most different of the lamb recipes and one of the most unique of the mutton recipes and one of the most tastiest of the black pepper recipes and one of the most delicious of the rice ball recipes and one of the most tastiest of the pilaf recipes and one of the most delicious of the black garlic recipes. We are going to make black pepper, garlic, lamb, cauliflower, rice ball. We have taken 400 grams of lamb pieces, cut thoroughly and cleaned. 3 to 4 sprigs of curry leaves, 10 to 15 shallots, 1 tomato cut into pieces, 20 cloves of garlic cut into pieces, 15 grams of ginger. Pan, pour in 10 ml of oil. Let the oil get heated. Put in the garlic. Saute. Put in the shallot. Saute. Saute. Put in ginger, salt, and all mix. Put in the tomato pieces. Put in the curry leaves. Salt. Curry salt. And mutton pieces. Put in salt to taste. Mix. Mix thoroughly. Thoroughly mix. Now put in a spoon of mixture spices, spoon of black pepper, and a quarter spoon of turmeric powder. Put in the cauliflower pieces. Mix thoroughly. Thoroughly mix. And let this mixture cook in the pressure cooker for 30 minutes. Put in a cup of water. Put in a cup of washed soaked rice. Mix. Mix that up. And salt to taste if necessary. Mix. This mixture cook for 10 minutes in the pressure cooker. Now the Black pepper, garlic, mutton, cauliflower rice is ready. It can be taken off the flame and served. This is the final. Black pepper, garlic, lamb, cauliflower, pilaf or black pepper, lamb, garlic, cauliflower rice bowl. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the garlic recipes and one of the most unique of the black pepper recipes and one of the most different of the lamb recipes and one of the most unique of the mutton recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the rice bowl recipes and one of the most different of the pilaf recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.